Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Filmora video editing application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and just type in Filmora and start your search. Once you find the Filmora video editor, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Filmora video editing app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it in order to open up the app. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed forward with logging in or signing up to start your new editing projects and make your edits on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Filmora application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.